Place a circle stamping blank on your stamping block. Then take a straight stamp guide out of your stamp guide book and secure your stamping blank to the block by placing the guide in the center of the blank. This stamp guide will act as a ruler and help you evenly space out your letters and align your stamped impressions. Now, using a pen and the guide marks, write your message directly onto the stamp guide. Then take your first stamp out of your letter set, making sure the ImpressArt logo on the side of the stamp is facing you, and place the stamp on the circle blank above the corresponding mark on the guide. Then lightly drag the stamp towards the guide mark until you feel the stamp catch the edge of the guide. When you feel that resistance, you're going to hold the stamp flat and firmly in place by anchoring the side of your hand. Then take your stamping hammer and give the stamp one hard hit. You're going to follow the same technique to complete your desired word. And you want to make sure you stop when that resistance is felt, so you're not dragging the stamp down onto the guide. When you're done stamping, you remove the stamp guide. And you can further personalize your stamping blank by stamping designs or an additional row of text below your word. Then you'll take your stamp enamel marker and highlight your impressions. And you'll wait 3 minutes, give or take, until the enamel dries completely. Once dry, take a paper towel and lightly wipe away the excess enamel from the surface of the blank. And if you're having trouble removing the enamel, you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on your paper towel to help you. Now we'll attach our stamping blank to jump ring. So you use chain nose pliers, one in each hand, to grab the jump ring on each side of the opening. Then you'll laterally twist the jump ring apart to separate the ring. While still holding the jump ring with one plier, slide the circle blank onto the jump ring. Then take your chain nose pliers and laterally twist the jump ring back with tension to close, moving the ring ends past each other a couple times until you hear it click. Now you'll take your ball chain necklace and slide your stamp pendant onto the ball chain. Now to close the clasp, you'll insert a small ball into the socket and pull until it clicks.